So you want to dodge demon, but don't have $100,000+ to fork over? Don't worry. As long as you have the Dodge Challenger RT from 2015, you good. Now, if you only want the look and not the performance, go to Vicrez and get their wide body kit for their Challenger, along with the demon hood. Another thing you're going to need is the Hellcat rotors and calipers. Now, you can find these rotors and calipers on Mopar Genuine Parts website, or you can find some used Brembo brakes from a Hellcat, or a Red Eye off of eBay and things of that nature. You can find these things everywhere. Also, you can find the 20x11 wheels from the Hellcat or the Red Eye on Vicrez website, or you can go to eBay, or you can go to Facebook Marketplace. But if you want a legit source, if you want to feel like you got these wheels from a legit source and not nobody that's stolen from somebody else, because I know that what goes through people's head when they doing projects like these, just go to eBay, or just go to, the Mopar site, or you can go to Vicrez. Now, as far as power adders, you definitely can go to supercharger route. Now, I know some of you may not just want the look. You want the performance that goes with it also. Don't worry, I got you. Now, if you're the type of person that don't just want the looks, but you want the performance aspect of it also, I highly suggest you go with a twin turbo setup or a turbo Hemi setup. Now, and I say that because superchargers and pro chargers, they're built driven, they're harder on the internals, especially your crankshaft and things of that nature. So, it wouldn't hurt to go the turbo route, but if you insist on going the supercharger route, then, you could always do the Hellcat supercharger adapter kit from MMX, or you can go with a Whipple like this one. Another route you could take is to take the 392 from a 2018 and up Dodge Challenger Scat Pack and, forge the internals, and you have an engine that's capable of about 1,000 to damn near 1,500 horsepower. Now, these BGE blocks, as they're known of, they can handle some serious power and have been the basis for 426 or 411 stroker builds in most of these drag Challengers. The very last thing you're going to need is a Hellcat differential, or you can use the Dodge Demon differential, whichever one's good for you. But the most affordable is going to be the Scat Pack differential. Now, the one thing you got to remember is that you don't have to go this route. There are so many routes you can go with these Challengers, and even with the Chargers, the same thing apply to them. It's just as simple as taking everything off a Scat or a Hellcat or a Red Eye and placing it on your regular RT. See, all these parts are interchangeable, and the same thing goes with the RT Challengers and things of that nature. So, you have so many options. But like I said, a turbo Hemi is a sight to behold. It sounds absolutely nasty. Everybody goes the supercharger route, but it won't hurt to go turbos. Love you.